Hello, y'all, or you all, depending who I'm talking to. I just wanted to. I've learned a lot of very interesting things over the years. One being SolidWorks, and the second being a lot of fabrication and geometry type things. But I wanted to do a quick video as a beginning of, once in a while. I just thought I would do some SolidWorks geometry type things, and this is how to find the center of a circle if you don't know where it is. So, this is how we do. Now, obviously, if you're not familiar with SolidWorks, I can help you with that, but this isn't, you don't have to do this on SolidWorks. You can do this with a compass, a pencil, a soapstone, a piece of string. This is just, I'm just using this so I can show you how the geometry works. Okay, so we start with a circle. You've got the circle. Now on here you're going to see there is a center, but we're going to assume we don't know where that is. And the way to do this, to find the center is a couple steps. First is you got your circle. Okay? Now, you take this line and you could put it here, you could put it here. Obviously, if you know where center is, it's going to go there, but we're going on the assumption we don't know center. So we're going to put a circle, or excuse me, a line there. So what's this doing? It's creating two intersection points, and these are critical to the process. So, if you want to use a center punch in your metal or something to designate those two spots, center punch probably being one of the most accurate, then that's what you'll do. You'll punch those intersections. And then the key thing from this point is that we're going to take our compass, or in this case a circle, and we're going to draw a circle. Now, if you're using a compass, you're not likely going to draw the whole circle, but this is just showing you what would come from drawing the whole circle. But you would probably only show about here and here. And then what you're going to do with using that same compass, not changing the dimension, not changing the radius of it, and draw it again. So just to be sure we're accurate as you would be in the real world in this situation, we're going to make these equal. Okay, so we've got two new intersection points that come from our arcs, our radiuses, our circles, which is there and there. Okay, so there and there, right? So we've got one line. We've got a line now that's on center of the circle, but we need another line, don't we? Yes, that's right, we do. So we're going to define two more points that you'll put on the circle, two more intersection points, one here and one here. Okay, so then we're going to do the same thing. All right, so we're going to draw two more circles. We're going to go like this, and typically you're going to want to make that radius bigger, or diameter, however you want to define it, bigger than your original shape. Okay, and we got to make sure these are the same size, so we're going to do that. Again, if you're using a compass, travel points or something of that sort, you're just not going to change that dimension between drawing your circles or your radiuses or your diameters. Okay, so that creates the same thing again. We've got our intersection point here and our intersection point here. So now we have the center of the circle. How cool is that, right? So in other videos, what I'll do is I'll show you how to do layout of holes and how to intersect a circle into certain degrees and all that stuff. But I think this was a good start point of something really basic that, there's going to be cases where you may need it. So hope that helps. Cheers.